haven't said hello, but we did a little grocery run after we were working at the coffee shop for a while. It's 2:30 now, so I'm gonna show you guys some of the things we picked up for dinner this week and breakfast, and then I'm just gonna get back to working for the rest of the afternoon. And we might go for a run since it's nice today, but I wanted to show you guys, we always use these reusable bags by Baggu. I'll have them linked in the description. They do really cute handbags also. I really want one of their fanny packs that they have. It's like a larger size, which would be really nice to put my camera in and stuff. But they're really cute patterns, and always bring your little reusable bags. So here we go. We got a cantaloupe since we both love cantaloupe, and want some fruit, wild sockeye salmon broth, and balsamic glaze. We needed onion powder. We love this kombucha flavor. We got chicken bratwursts to make bratwurst with like kraut and stuff like that for dinner one night. We got bacon for breakfast, basil, eggs, cherry tomatoes for pasta, parm, because we're gonna make risotto tonight. I'll show you guys us cooking. We got some pasta for dinner this week, sweet potato, lemon in the back, corn on the cob for the night with the brats. These little potato pancakes, they're like latkes, potato latkes. We wanted to get little hash browns, but they didn't have any at Trader Joe's, so we just got those for breakfast sandwiches. Broccolini for tonight. We got this big loaf of bread for the brats, kale, avocados, mini peps for the brats, mushrooms for tonight, and then kraut for the dogs. Half and half for Breeze coffee, and then some everything bagels.
What up?
Hi guys, it's 6:40. We went on a run and just finished our work day, and now we're making a wonderful comfort meal. So we're gonna make risotto with
Like trumpet
seared mushrooms.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead, sorry.
No, I was just gonna say just the part trumpet mushrooms, but cut them like as if it was a scallop.
Yeah, you guys will see
So,
it.
like, vegan scallop.
It's really good. And then we've done this meal before, but I don't think we've shown it on the channel. And then some like sauteed greens and stuff.
Sun-dried tomatoes, a little lemon.
Yeah.
Fresh herbs, yeah. The whole nine.
So, roll the clips. Tuesday. I just was filming a little lower body yoga flow. Wow, it's still so crazy to see me with short hair. I haven't gotten used to it yet, but it feels so good. Anyways, I was filming a yoga flow for lower body. It's already out by the time that this vlog is up, so don't forget to check that out. It's always linked in the description for you guys. And there's a very special delivery for Breezy today. So let's go see. You excited?
Yeah. Pumped up.
Aww. What's here today?
I got my desk.
Hi.
Now I can have my first work call tonight at my desk.
Aww.
So that's cool.
I think that's gonna go like right here, so that'll look really nice. Oh, and then we got, you guys probably saw, but here's the plant from this past weekend. It's looking good. Oh.
Yeah.
Hey, it's yours. MTV Cribs. Show us around.
Okay, so over here is gonna be where it's kind of like play guitar, hang out, chill. But for now, just have the guitar out. I have my bicycle poster that I love. And then my keyboard case is holding my record player for the time being. And all that good stuff. And then over here, I'll put a couch down the line. But anyways, yeah, here's my new desk. Super excited about it. We just put it up today. And then have all like corkboard with some fun memorabilia stuff. And then my goals for work, some art, break it up. Nice like window space area. Got all my books for now until I get a bookshelf. And then I have this that I thrifted a month ago or two or whatever. But have some art and then some memorabilia and precious things there. Stuff that I'm gonna put that up on this wall, but I don't have a frame for it yet. But this will be like a little gallery wall situation. And then I have my art up. And then my new plant.
I love it. Feels so spacious in here.
It's like I'm gonna be spending so much time in here, seriously.
Ah.
Yeah, love.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How does it feel for your new office?
It was nice, honey. It was good.
Aww. Cutie.
And I don't mind my tore up basil.
Ice cream time.
Of course.
What's up, guys?
What up?
As you can tell, we got the old ice cream night. Bree found this hat for me at the thrift store. Isn't it cute?
I literally love it on you. It's so good.
I haven't talked to you guys yet today, but happy Wednesday.
Happy Wednesday.
I got mint cookies and cream.
I got regular cookies and cream. I always want to go and get cookie dough because cookie dough is my second favorite flavor.
Yeah.
But I'm too hooked on the cookie dough or the cookies and cream right now.
I know they do big chunks of cookie.
It's like I have to get it. I have to.
I know.
My craving's not satisfied from it yet.
I know.
Crave it.
And the mint cookies and cream is seasonal, so it's like I've been.
Yeah, you gotta get it.
Yeah, but we just really been working today, and we went to like go pick up our taxes. Nothing too crazy, but just want to say hi. Oh, I'll show you guys some things we put up on Bree's wall. We added to the gallery wall in the office.
coming along.
Ice cream out my nose. Anyways. Yeah.
Nice chatting.
We're gonna enjoy this ice cream.
I'm trying to take it slow.
Good night. No, I'll show you guys the office and then good night. Okay, here's the vibes with the little lamp on at night, but look how cute. So we added this, we got this in Charlotte, and then this is a Sound Vibrations artwork that I got Brie from Encinitas, California, Southern California. And we just thrifted frames for those, and it's really cute. You can see the different detail. And then we found this at the thrift store for $1.50. Then we just kind of decorated it up, but it's looking really cute. Hey guys, happy Thursday. I'm wearing this really cute romper. Can't really show it that well, but anyways, I feel cute today. And today's Thursday. Brie made a little bit of breakfast, the latkes with kraut on it, bacon, avocado, egg. I'm actually just sitting here and I'm editing a yoga flow video, and tomorrow we're going to see the Yeji concert in Detroit, Michigan. So I'll be starting a new vlog for the weekend, but we're really excited. So today feels like our Friday, and it's beautiful out. It's like 75, sunny. I kind of want to get outside today. Sorry, the windows are open, but yeah. Hope you guys are having a really great week so far. Okay, here's the fit up a little closer. These earrings are from Brie's sister, Sarah. They were hers. She gave them to me, so thank you, Sarah. But this romper is really cute. It's like in this sage green color. Just wearing like a little bralette underneath, but I got it from the thrift store for $3. And it's cute. Perfect for summer. Chill, cozy, work from home day. Got a little acai bowl. Smoothie. Sun's out, bun's out.
Oh, you got peanut butter on there.
Yeah, try it.